Today, today we are discussing in people. Are you imagine what amount the Indian overseas person can remit to India? $50 billion, $100 billion, even even consistent, even two consecutive financial year are overseas citizen of India, overseas resident of India are remit India above $100 billion. Let's let's deep dive if what are the major reason the top remittance country in the world, and even people, you people aware Indian remittance is a less than $50 billion in a year, where as compared to as compared to China, India as foreign remittance is more than the $75 billion. Have you imagined? Let's home pay overseas Indian send back over $100 billion again. Overseas Indians sent back home a record 107 billion remittance to their relative home in financial year 24. Cross 100 billion mark for the second financial year in a row. All these level net remittance are almost double level of a net foreign investment. FDI and portfolio investment combined of $54 billion during the year. Remittance by the Indian diaspora as reflect in a private transfer in a balance of payment touch gross level 119 billion in financial year 24 after a factory in repatriation of a income by private foreign resident and other remittance. Net private transfer took $107 billion. Various studies have been indicated that remittance are linked to the a level of migration in a different economics and job opportunities and situation in the source of a countries. The cost of a remittance is also considered to be a factor influencing overseas remittance. A post-COVID survey on a remittance conducted by the Reserve Bank of India showed that US is the largest source of a remittance, accounting for 23% of total. Bulk of this remittance are reckoned to be going forward family needs, and while a portion is also invested in other assets such as a deposit, as a RBI survey on a remittance show, India continued to be the largest recipient of a remittance from its diaspora according to the Migration and Development Brief released by the World Bank in December. India has been top recipient of remittance by its diaspora for over 20 years, mostly driven by the surge in IT professional going to North America and Europe from the 19th. Remittance flow to the developing countries have been surpassed some of FDI and official development assistance in a recent year. The gap is increasing, said the Dilip Ratha, lead author of a World Bank report. Based on the trajectory of the weaker global economic activity, growth of remittance to low and middle income countries is expected to soften further to 3.1% in 2024, the World Bank reported.